All right, Roger. Good morning. Coming to you live from the Laguna Seca Raceway. It is a race day today. Super psyched about it. I'm very happy to be here. We beat COVID, so I'm just out enjoying the sun. I'm about 20 pounds down, looking like a young Dub C.
Clicking like a drag.
I'm just really keeping this mask on around people. You're gonna hear me cough like this, but I don't have a cold. The problem is what COVID did to me is if I speak very fast, I cough. If I inhale very deeply and expand my lungs, I cough. So too little air, cough. Too much air, cough. So when I'm talking, you're probably gonna see what I just did. Those hesitations, those were me trying to retain my air and not cough. That's part of a side effect. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but that is going to be part of me for a little while. But anyway, the car's ready to rock, the tires are ready to rock, the track's gonna be ready to rock by the time I get on it. We're going out at a 10 a.m. session. Track should be warm, the line should be grooved in, and we should be ready to go. My only issue that I have today is I ordered some brake pads that are supposedly a special order brake pad. That meant they're gonna come from somewhere once somebody has the child grows, goes through school, learns how to make the brake pads, makes them, and then sends them to me. Either way, we don't have the brake pads today. Now, I do have the same brakes. I only have about 5 millimeters of meat left on them. That's gonna be very interesting because Laguna Seca takes a lot on your brakes. I'm gonna be left with the choice to either run a very, very serious set of laps and just use the brakes up. I was really hoping to really push hard today, but we'll see how it goes throughout the day. I'm not about to fly off nobody's corkscrew. I'm ready to go. Let me just kind of focus on my breathing, zen in, just get ready. I'll see you guys out on track. didn't account for my fatigue levels, and it's not like it's like a million degrees out here. We do have a breeze. It's kind of about 67-ish. But the fact that I can't fully inhale and exhale properly, cycle my air, it's making me kind of fatigued mentally. The car's doing great. I love these damn Falcon RT660s. We're kind of having the same relative speeds that we had at Sonoma, about 112 miles an hour. I'm very happy with how the car is performing. The previous owner said he'd think I could probably do around a 150. We're currently doing a 147.6. I'm using the Track Addict app, and you can see on the front of the tow hitch, we do have an actual official transponder. So I'm getting official lap timing as well as getting the app with all the telemetry so I can show you guys. My mentality might be a little off because I don't have as much oxygen as I would need, as I would like in the good brain box. So it's a slight concern. I've only been doing about 5 laps. I just feel like I'm losing focus and I bring it in. I brought it in pit lane, man, on the last one, and I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't even think to slow down. And that caused concern. Like I slowed down, but I didn't slow down enough. So that's concerning me. I don't want to make bad decisions or bad choices out here. And today's Jalen's birthday, and I want to get home to little man and chill, have some cake and dinner. This is going to be my last session. We're doing very good though. Don't let those things that I'm speaking on seem like we're not rocking. We are rocking. I just don't want to great day to turn into a weird day. And I guess I got a rocker with GoPro, broke the lens on this. So let me go do some things so I can get ready to get on the track here in about 20 minutes.
Had to have got a curve. All right, let me see real quick. What equipment? What equipment? What's hanging? Nothing's hanging. What is he talking about? What was he talking about? Nothing. What do we got going on here? Is the muffler too far out now? Ah! Oh my God, it's hot. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Ah! I don't see anything hanging off. All right, I'm gonna roll back out. Why did I do that with the exhaust? That was intensely stupid. That's that thing I'm saying about me not thinking properly. My hand is up. You just come off a track full throttle. I want to grab the muffler, my nigga. Holy smokes, my hand is right there, blister boys. I made a poor decision. Holy, that hurts. I got a mechanical. I got the mechanical flag. I checked out, nothing's hanging.
No, it wasn't for you.
Oh, really? Oh, shit, he pointed right at me. Okay.
Yeah, you're out, man. Go have a good time.
All right, cool, thank you. He pointed right at me. Let this GT3 go by. If I get it again, then I'll pull in. Other than that, I'm keeping it pushing. Flag tower, flag tower, flag tower. Nobody there. Oh, there is somebody there. No flag though. I'm gonna watch from the top of the hill. Meatball 2424. For me, I wonder if it was sound. Pull in the normal pits right here.
That black flag was actually for you. I missed it. You blew sound. You have a 93.9.
Okay.
So that ends your session for now.
Okay.
Okay. Go around that orange cone, out the gate behind the ladies.
Okay.
I'll see you next time.
Okay, thank you. All right. Well, that makes me feel better. A blue sound. It had to have been from the intake because I was really standing on it on this session. Damn. There's the difference in me really going full tilt past the tower and what I was doing before. I goddamn roasted my hand. I have never been burnt like this before. That was so stupid for me to do. I came straight off of a racetrack and grabbed a hot ass muffler, yo. I just want that to sink into y'all. I just want that to sink into y'all. That's the type of thought process that I just had. That's the type of dumb I just did. I don't think I know I'm not getting enough oxygen in my brain. My hand is trembling. It's on fire. The blister's coming up right there and right there. Good Lord, this is gonna suck. Like I said, I'm not thinking right, so let's put it up. We're gonna call it. We're gonna call it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for us today here at the track. Outrageous experience. Trying to come back after COVID and get out on the track. I feel like I did well, but I'm glad that I'm weighing my options differently, more maturely, I would say. Because as far as my thought process, I'm not doing too great today. But I'm just gonna get to the house, stuff this stuff in the back, go celebrate Jalen's birthday. Today's Jalen's birthday. We're gonna eat with him, have some fun. Everybody go wish Jalen happy birthday. Leave happy birthday in the comments. And I think that might be it for the video. I'll check you guys back on the later side.
Oh my God, a TZR, blood, a 125, looks like. Holy shit. Hey, yo! I need that. Now?
Yeah. You're doing my birthday. Whoa, Shayna.
What's up?
Oh, I missed that.
Lower the what?
Happy birthday, man.
You know,
Come here, Nicole.
Come on, yeah. No.
I love you guys.
Love you too, Jay.